Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the Apple Pages. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, let's just go ahead and open the Pages application. Once you've done that, there are multiple ways you can go ahead and use so. Let me go ahead and click on continue first. Go ahead and choose a folder where you want to simply go ahead and have it, or you could also open a new document if you want to. As you can see, it's going to be right over here. All the templates are also going to be available right over here. So simple report, essays, minimalist report, and many more. But we're going to start with the blank page. Now on the blank page, as you can see, you can insert multiple things right over here, like page break, line break, section break, page numbers, page count, date and time, footnote, and many more. You could also add tables if you want to right over here. So just like that, you can also add charts if you want to, 2D, 3D, interactive, and many more. And you can also go ahead and enter your text boxes if you want to. You can also go ahead and add multiple pages. It just depends on how much you want with your document, or you could also use a writing tool, which is going to be the ChatGPT on your Siri. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.